Welcome to JH. I started taking Ultra Herbs Berberine because I wanted some extra support for my health, specifically to keep my energy and metabolism in balance. Because, let's be honest, my natural metabolism currently has the motivation of a sloth on a Sunday afternoon. I have to say, it has made a noticeable difference. My energy levels are now steady throughout the day, and I no longer suffer from those sharp dips that usually turn me into a sluggish human puddle. It's actually quite nice to function without needing a nap every 45 minutes. It also seems to help with digestion and keeping my appetite in check, which makes it significantly easier to walk past the snack aisle without having a breakdown. I love that it feels natural and doesn't come with any harsh side effects, which is a refreshing change from supplements that treat your stomach like a failed chemistry experiment. This gives me a lot more confidence in using it consistently. What I really appreciate about Ultra Herbs Berberine is how simple it is to incorporate into a routine while supporting multiple areas of wellness. My focus feels clearer and my mood is more balanced, which makes the day flow much smoother. Apparently, I'm now slightly more tolerable to be around, which is a win for everyone. It quietly works in the background to help me stay in control of my life without causing any stomach discomfort. Overall, this is a reliable choice for anyone wanting steady, sustainable support for their energy and metabolism.